In this section, we are going to connect an interaction using a trigger and an existing script. The goal is simple. When the player touches the pellet, it will disappear, a message will appear, and then the pellet will come back after a short delay. Before creating the interaction, let's first take a look at the response script. Open the script and focus on the function called collectPellet. This function is executed when the trigger is activated. The first thing it does is deactivate the pellet using setActiveFalse, which makes it disappear from the scene. Then, it increases a counter that keeps track of how many pellets have been collected. After that, it displays a message on the screen showing the updated number of pellets. At the end of this function, the script calls a coroutine. This coroutine is called waitPellet. Now let's look at what this coroutine does. The coroutine waits for a certain amount of time using wait4 seconds, and this duration is controlled by the variable respawn delay. After this delay, the pellet is reactivated using setActiveTrue, which makes it visible again in the scene. So the sequence is: the pellet disappears, a message is shown, the system waits, and then the pellet appears again. Now that we understand how the script works, let's connect it to an interaction. Go to the hierarchy and locate the pellet object. Right-click on it and add a spatial trigger event. This will create a new trigger event object as a child of the pellet. Select the trigger event and adjust its radius so it fully covers the pellet. Now in the inspector, go to the OnEnterEvent section. Click the plus button to add a new event. Drag the script object into the event field. Then, in the function dropdown, select the response script and choose the function collectPellet. Now the interaction is connected. When the player enters the trigger area, the script will run. Run the scene and test the interaction. When you touch the pellet, it should disappear, display a message, wait for a moment, and then reappear.